Hi everyone. So today we're going to teach you how to register for Math 103M. So first you will need to get to the ODU website. So you can just go to Google, maybe type in ODU. And that should take you to the ODU homepage. And on the top of the screen, you'll see My ODU. And you can click on that. Next, you'll want to hit the login button on the left side column right here. Then we're going to want to enter in our Midas ID and password. The Midas ID is the first letter of our name, and then the first couple letters of our last name, and then a few numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And normally it's set up as a two-factor authentication. So it's going to send a message to my phone. So I'm going to need to check that. You're going to have to hit send me a push or enter a passcode. So it brings me to this page. And you can, what we're looking for is Leo Online. And I can either find it on the left side column right here, or you can find it in my favorite apps right here. So we'll choose it right here, which is under Blackboard. Oops, let's try again. Sometimes you may need to hit it twice. So next we want to hit the admissions, registration, student records, and graduate information link, which is the second from the top. Then we want to hit registration, which is the second down. Then we want to hit banner registration, which is the one at the very bottom. And that will open a new screen. Then it leads us to this page. And this page is the main place where you will sign up for courses. It's where you can plan ahead in your classes. So this plan ahead section is where maybe a few months before course registration, you can play around with the classes. You can look at the calendar and decide which courses you want to take. But today we're going to be concerned with this registration tab here. So we're going to click on that. And that's where you register for the classes, you can add, you can drop. So here, we're going to click on this, and this is where we decide what semester we want to look for the classes. So we are concerned about the fall 2021 classes. So that's what we're going to click. So at the bottom of your screen, when you add a course, it'll come down here if it has a class meeting time. If it's a asynchronous class, so it doesn't meet in person, you will not see it on this calendar. So these are my current classes for the fall, and then you'll see it in list form. So you will see all the classes, the synchronous classes, meaning they meet at a certain time and date, or the asynchronous classes, meaning they don't have a meeting time and they're online. So we're going to type here, it has all the subjects and we're looking for math. So either we can scroll down to math, or I can type in the first couple letters in mathematics and it will pull up. And if we don't know the course number, that's fine. We can look up all mathematical courses, or since we know it's 103M, we can type 103M. And that's pretty much all we want to put in for the moment. And we'll hit search. Now to get rid of this down here, we can just hit the arrow button and it'll give us a bigger screen. So sometimes in order to see the class numbers and stuff, you are going to have to pull on these. So just some things to look at. One, the campus. So if it says UG Norfolk main campus, this means it meets on the main campus, and it's going to be most likely in person. If you see UG Hampton Roads, which I'll see if I can get you an example of, that means it's an online class. Here, UG Hampton Roads, that would be an online class that meets on Zoom Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:45 to at 7 p.m. So you have set meeting times for that online class. Then you have another type of online class that you can sign up for that will be UG Online Virginia, not this one, not outside Virginia. It has to say Virginia. So do not sign up for this class here. So this is the other type of class you could sign up for if you want an online option, the UG Online Campus in Virginia. If you are a Virginia resident, you can sign up for this course here. So let's go back. So it's important when you're signing up for the courses, you have to sign up for two courses, the lecture and the recitation. So first find a lecture course you want to take. So we're going to look and let's see here. I know that, let's say this course looks good to me. I want to take the course Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays from 10 to 10:15 on campus. So, you know, I want to be on campus versus online, which would be UG Hampton Roads. So I'm going to pull the screen sideways, and I'm going to view linked. Do not click add yet, hit view linked. You are now looking at the recitation option that works well for that lecture course. It has to be the corresponding one. So I'm going to look at my schedule and then look at these courses and find the correct course that fits with my schedule. So I'm going to look, and this bottom one looks good with my schedule. So I'm going to go over here to add all, and I'm going to click add all. I'm not going to go back to search results. I'm going to click to add all. Now, if you want to learn more information about the course, you can just click on that part and you can look at the course description. You can look at instructor meeting times, maybe who the instructor is, where it's located, any prerequisites. So there's none listed. Any fees for the course. So you have all the options there. So I like this course. Okay. I want to take that and I want to take the lecture. I'm hitting add all. So if you look down at the bottom under my list of courses, I am now going to be registering for those two math courses, the lecture and recitation, but I am not signed up yet. I have to hit submit at the very bottom to be officially signed up for both. But I don't want to sign up because I'm not taking that course, but hit the submit button right here. If maybe you made a mistake and you don't want to take them both, just click this right here and you can hit remove, no problem, drop the course. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now because I don't want to take that. And then I'm going to hit submit to remove. And they're no longer on my schedule. Great, thank you. And let us know if you have any questions.